boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast. I'm talking, of course, about our new Kickstarter launch for the second headstamp book, which is Thornycroft SA-80 British Bullpup Firearms 2001 to 2020, which I really intended to tell you guys about right at the beginning. So, funny story, the way this actually started, we figured we want to give our previous collector edition buyers an early opportunity to get a collector edition of the second book to make sure they don't miss out. You know, it's a cool perk to get. So the plan was we were going to launch make the Kickstarter public early this morning, but not actually talk about it or, mention it or start promoting it until tomorrow. And then, we have a little bit of a soft launch. Nobody will know about it. We'll send out an email to the limited edition buyers from my book, Chassepot de Famas, and it'll be cool. It'll be a little special thing. Well, we set the campaign to live, and about 2 minutes later, we got an automated email from Kickstarter saying basically, hey, you supported the last campaign from Headstamp Publishing. You'd probably be excited to know that they've just launched a new one. And went, uh-oh. It turns out that Kickstarter automatically notifies all of your former supporters on a Kickstarter campaign when you launch. So Kickstarter totally let our soft launch out of the bag, and we kind of went, well, let's do it. And so I had a video prepped that was supposed to run tomorrow introducing the book with Jonathan Ferguson, the author, and I ended up running it today. And as of this point, it's 3:15 p.m. here, and we have just gone past $200,000 raised in pre-orders, which is more than we did in the first 2 days of Chassepot de Famas together. So as you might expect, I've been kind of running a bit today to try and get all of the stretch goal videos and responding to comments and getting everything organized. And I never did get a chance to give any special notice to you guys on Patreon. And so I really apologize for that. We did intend to, and then I'm going to blame Kickstarter. Kickstarter let it out of the bag, and then, as the man said, it escalated quickly. So that's where it stands right now. We're super excited about this book. There was honestly a big question to me of how much of the success of Chassepot de Famas was based on the fact that I wrote it and I have a fan base online and people want to buy my book versus how many people want to buy a really gorgeous, really good firearms reference book. And so I was really waiting to see on this Kickstarter how much less we did because it wasn't my book. It was just a book that I'm helping to publish and promote. And it turns out it's doing even better than mine. So that's really cool. It really makes me happy that there is an audience out there for high quality firearms reference books. And we're excited about this one, and I've got one coming up that I'm excited about. We'll announce that at the end of this Kickstarter, and then we've got a bunch more scheduled out for the next year or two. So it's going to be really cool. We look forward to putting together an awesome, huge library of the best gun books out there. Thanks, guys.